Hello. I trust you had a good Christmas despite the lockdowns. 2021 has shown the splits between those that have chosen to remain stuck in the 3D reality of suffering and fear versus the new 5D world of freedom and abundance has been so evident. Personally, I have chosen the 5D reality of freedom and abundance. What about you? However, financial freedom is still essential, even in the 5D reality. I have chosen Bitcoin crypto and the cash forex platform as a means to up-level my financial freedom. Will you join me? But first, register for my masterclass on the 5 prerequisites to succeed in 2022. Click the link below, register. Thank you, and I wish you a happy new year. Bye.